Hi, I'm Dr. Chonta Haynes, and this is your truth for the week. Now, we recorded earlier that we were talking about blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven in Matthew chapter number 5, verse 3. How then can you apply this to your life? How can you find the richest treasure on the inside when everything on the outside seems to be going haywire? We're searching for the treasure today. And in 5 minutes or less, I'm going to give you some application, some things that you can do in order to find the treasure in the circumstance. Number one, decide to see what you don't see. This means that you have to glean for the gratitude. That means you need to be looking, have a gratitude journal, identify what you do have. Remember, it's more important what's left than what has been lost. So when you feel poor in spirit that you don't have, you're humbled in that, and you need God's presence, you need God's spirit to operate and to move in your circumstance, you're going to find treasure when you adequately seek to see what you don't see. Secondly, I want you to read your word. And what you're going to do is focus on the promises that are already there. The promises of God that stand out to you is Him trying to remind you, building up your spirit on the inside, that yes, you can. You've got it together. You're not alone because God is close to you when you're poor in spirit. Number three, actively look around to see what support God has already given you. Many times we take it for granted or we overlook the very ones that God has sent our way in order to support us. So we think that we're poor. We think that we're needy, when in actuality, we're not. We're not needy at all. We've already got the support that's there. So look for them. And then fourth, ask God for His Spirit to be present in your situation. Ask Him. He's Jehovah Shammah. Say, God, you are ever present here in this particular meeting. I need you to show up. I need your wisdom. I need your knowledge. I need your understanding. I need your supernatural strategies. I have an opportunity to do that on a regular basis. And the fifth thing, ask for strength. We can do all things through Christ who gives us strength, but we just need to ask. So these are your 5 things that you can do in order to find treasure in the midst of your circumstance. Decide to see what you don't see. Read your word and find the promises of God. Actively look around for the support that God has given. Ask God for His strength, and then ask God to be present. Have an absolutely fantastic rest of your week. I'm Dr. Chonta Haynes, helping you put feet to your faith so that you can walk victoriously. Hi, thanks for listening and watching. And if you enjoyed what you've seen, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And hit that notification button so you'll know the next time there's a new episode. Listen, as a result of my coaching program, my clients have experienced a calming of the emotional roller coaster. They have a compelling future, as well as a confidence in the know-how to achieve it. And they have clarity on the financial tools that they need in order to live life on their terms and save tens of thousands of dollars. I'm looking for women who are devastated by the double D's, divorce or death, who want to gain confidence to live life on their terms with peace and financial security. My question is, who do you know? Have them go ahead and book a call with me so that we can get to that compelling future. My heart may be broke, but your bank account doesn't have to be. You can find us online at htruth.org. At Heart to Heart Truth Ministries, we're helping believers live an abundant life based on God's Word, standing on His promises, walking out His principles, sharing with God's people, serving as unto the Lord.